from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford Mondeo here on a 2007 plate. We're changing two things. Basically, we're doing a brake light bulb, which is stop lamp, and the hazard light, which is indicator bulb. The indicator bulb, we're replacing that because it's showing white colour. Instead of being orange, it's showing white. That's why we're replacing that one. And the brake light is not working at all. As you can see, you've got the position lamps on, so they're both working. If you press the brakes, now if you look on this side, brake light's working, but on this one here it isn't working. Now could you put the hazard lights on, please? Yep, that's brilliant. Now as you can see, that one there is showing good orange colour, but if you look at this, it's showing a lot more white colour. I think the bulb is just fading away. Let go of everything, switch it off. Thank you. Lights off as well. Lovely. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it's done. It is a simple procedure. With this particular car, this ain't got a cover on there. Oh, this has, sorry, I didn't take it off, but who did? There we go. This cover goes in there like this. The slots in. All you do, wedge your fingers in, pull the whole thing out. That's it, job done. Now the bulb you need for the indicator is 581, and the bulb you need for the brake light, which is the tail light at the same time, it's a 380. Bulbs can be found in the description, and at the end of the video you'll have a link, or in between the video you'll have a link for the bulb section as well, so you can check it out. Now for any reason, if you found this video useful, do comment us below and do like it as well at the same time. And there's a thanks button as well now, added a new feature onto YouTube. If you click on that, you can donate money towards good causes. Now what we're going to do, we're going to show you where it is. So if you look right on the inside, that's the bulb holder we need to remove. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yes, you can. I'm just going to get it in a little bit more. So that's it. That's what you need to remove. Now to remove that clip there on the top of the plug, that clip there on top of the plug, you need to pull down, push down on it, and then pull it towards you. Now just get it back out. So get my hand wedged in there, pull on the thing. That's it. That's out. That's all it was. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this bulb first. So as you can see, the colour's fading away, the orange one. So we're going to replace that bulb first. It's a 581 bulb, like I said. You can find that in the description. Got the bulb, slot it through. That's it, that's in. Now I'm going to change the brake light as well as the tail light. That's a 380 bulb. Again, you can find that in the description. So slot it in. Now the clip I was talking about that you had to push down on was this clip here. No, it wasn't this one, sorry. This goes like this. So it's a clip just above this. There'll be a clip, so push down on it and then pull the whole thing out. You can remove this cover to make it easy for yourself. So if you unclip this, push it down, and then you can get to it easily. So I'm now going to slot this through the holes, locate the bulb. That's it, it's in there. As you can see now, that's brilliant. So what we're going to now do is check the lights, make sure the lights are working. And I'll slot this in as well. Take the bulbs out, the old one. Now could you do me a favour, do the same thing again. Put the side lights on, please. Your lights. Lights on, please. That's it, that's lovely. You can see that one there is working. This one's working. Now can you press the brakes? And you can see that one's working as well as that one. Indicate left. That's brilliant. The colour on this is brilliant now. Indicate right, you've already got the hazards on, that's brilliant. That's good as well. That's all it was. Switch the lights off, please, thank you. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.